How to install the Google Ads tag in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install your Google Ads tag into your Wix website and start tracking the traffic into your website and also get some quality leads if needed to create some ads, and it is going to be okay and needed. So the first step is going to head over ads.google.com, sign in for your account that you want to have the tag from. And we're going to head over the left side of the screen, click on tools, and then we're going to extend the shared library. Once we have did that, click on audience manager, and we're going to head over the data sources or your data sources. As you can see, I do not have some data sources. I go to the data manager and it is going to show you Google tag. What I'm going to do now is going to click on the Google tag, manage, and it is going to show up here the installation. Now we are going to click on installation instructions and we're going to click on select platform. From here, we are going to find different and various platforms. Click on Wix. Now it is going to show you the tag ID that we need here. We are going to copy it and you can go ahead and find the different, as you can see, guides and etc. But I'm going basically to let you see it directly. So we are going to head over Wix or the dashboard of the Wix website that we have chosen. Scroll down a little bit and it is going to show you the settings. Click on the settings and we're going to scroll down until the end and we're going to find development and integrations. Click on marketing integrations and we're going to find here all of the, as you can see here, integrations. As you know, we have selected Google tag. This is Google tag. We're going to click on connect and here the surprise, we need a premium plan. In our case, why it is going to be a surprise, we do not have a premium plan. But in your case, you should have at least a premium plan. So you can go ahead and click on add Google tag ID, click on it and paste the code that we have here or the ID. Once you have did that, you're going to have some option like the add additional tag destinations, and then you're going to activate the advanced consent mode. And here with that, we have connected our Google tag from here. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you soon on the next one.